This video covers editing painted fills. To see a painted fill in a more realistic view, make sure View Realistic Paint is checked. A filled painted object can have 4 different types of fills: zigzag fill, row fill, and paint net fill. These different types were explained in an earlier video. If you need to be reminded of the differences, select the Help icon and click on one of the icons in the object properties. You can then read about the different types of row fill, working your way to previous pages as well as the next page. To edit the painted fill, select the object. The fill paint, the row fill, the zigzag fill can all be edited by changing the density. To change the density, place a check mark by density and use the up and down arrows to change the value of the density. The range is from 0.2 to 9.9 millimeters, and the default density will vary by type of fill. The density influences how close together the paint strokes are. With row fills, you can alter the short and long value, which will let you fill an object and adjust the density based on the shape of the object. With short, long checked, the paint fill will fill in the irregularly shaped object more evenly. If the density of a row fill is increased over 5 millimeters, the row fill paint will change to single lines that are not connected with one another. I'll place a check mark by density, enter 5 millimeters, and press enter, so you can see the effect you get by changing the density over that amount. There are more ways to edit a net fill. You can edit the cell size, the offset, and the angle of the net fill. The range for the cell size is from 2 millimeters to 9.9 millimeters, and you can swipe across the value, enter a new value, and press enter. The offset ranges from -15 millimeters to +15 millimeters. This influences the distance that the net fill will be placed from the original drawn object. Again, you can use the up and down arrows to change the value, or you can swipe across the value, enter the new value, and press enter. The angle value ranges from 0 to 360 degrees. Just enter the new value and press enter.